Alright guys, you've been asking, so here's the recipe for my Cajun pasta. Go ahead and start cooking your noodles. And I'm using this seasoning to season my shrimp. And once that shrimp is almost done cooking, I just add some fresh black pepper. Then I go ahead and add the sausage. And now for the sauce, I use half an onion, 1 red bell pepper, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 cup of crushed tomato, and Slappy Mama seasoning. Then 1 cup of unsalted chicken broth, and 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Once that starts to boil, I add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and 2 handfuls of spinach. And that's my Cajun pasta recipe.
Let's do some cooking.
Hi there, my name's Thomas Straker. I'm a chef and I was about to open my first restaurant in March when COVID hit. Since I've been creating video content on Instagram and I'm going to start sharing my recipes on here. Hope you enjoy it. Right then, roast potatoes. Firstly, pick the right potato, peel and cut them. Cook in well-seasoned water until soft, about 12 minutes. Remove and allow to steam for 10 minutes before shaking and placing in hot rapeseed oil. Whack in the oven at 220 degrees, turning after about 20 minutes. Now grate the garlic and chop the rosemary and mix with olive oil. Mix through the potatoes once they are completely cooked. Put them back in the oven for another minute and then plate up, mold in salt and tuck in.
Let's make baked feta pasta, mac and cheese, and let's make it spanakopita style. Add 2 blocks of feta to the center of a casserole dish. Then pour in a pound of dry macaroni or your small pasta of choice, along with 4 cups of half and half and 2 cups of water. Add a nice sized sprinkle of kosher salt, then give it a little bit of a stir. Next, drizzle your feta with some extra virgin olive oil and crack some fresh black pepper over top. Then pop in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. When it comes out, you know the drill. Break up the feta and start mixing everything together. I only added 4 cups of liquid before I put it in the oven, and I needed to add more, so that's why I told you to add 6. Add 2 cups of Parmesan cheese now, or you can add it at the beginning phase as well. Give that a stir, then add a bunch of spinach. You can add fresh or frozen, just make sure frozen is well drained and warmed up. Next, add your phyllo dough topping. I will show you how to do this in another video. Then just break in and enjoy. Where else can I take this trend?
Kourtney Kardashian has posted everywhere about her healthy poosh brownies, so I decided to make them. I cut up 15 dates and put them in a food processor. Next, I added 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, a splash of almond milk, 1 cup of rolled oats, and a half a cup of keto maple syrup. Then I blended all the ingredients together and spread the mixture in a pan. After that, I melted half a cup of vegan chocolate chips for 20 seconds and poured it over the top of the mixture. I placed it in the freezer for 30 minutes, and here's how it came out. These no-bake vegan brownies are so delicious. I can definitely see why Kourtney loves them.